Quick reading for March the 15th to March the 16th, Pisces. Your cards are the Eight of Cups, the Fool card, and the Strength card. So nakikita natin dito yung immaturity ni person, no? I feel like medyo we're distancing ourselves, no, from the equation, from from the dynamic. Mahal pa natin, yes, si person. That's definitely I mean, that's definite na meron pa tayong nararamdaman. With the Fool card and the Strength card, para kasi si person parang isip bata. Ang nakikita natin dito parang in and out si person. Ngayon, nung parang nakikita niyang medyo you're backing off a bit, I think si person ngayon parang, I think that your person's pulling you, no? Pulling you back to the dynamic. Meron ditong teasing, meron ditong mga promises. I feel like gusto ka naman talaga ni person. Mahal ka naman talaga ni person. I think that your person's just lacking some actions, no? So yeah, I don't know kung pagbibigyan mo siya, but here's your quick reading for March the 15th to March the 16th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.